I cried the night I saw Jimmy Buffett fly like a parrot without wings. He plummeted to earth. From the stage he went head first, and we thought we'd seen the great man die.
We held a midnight vigil as they carried him away, blood pouring from his head. 1 minute we all cheered, then he flew and disappeared.
And we thought the Parrot Man was dead.
So we drank some beers and smoked some marijuana,
and we celebrated till our own heads hurt.
And we sang his songs like Jimmy would've
if he stayed up where he should've,
on the stage instead of face down in the dirt.
Flying was his passion, but mainly in a plane. When he came to play in Sydney town,
Jamaican coppers couldn't catch him, fired their guns and didn't scratch him, until a stage dive brought the parrot down. So we drank more beers and smoked more marijuana,
and we celebrated till our own heads hurt.
Parrot medics in the crowd
pronounced him dead and dropped the shroud,
where the Parrot Man's last flight had kissed the earth.
Change of latitude
Brought a drop in altitude
on Australia Day
2011.
all of Sydney roared
As Jimmy Buffett soared,
he was taking a flight
to Margarita Heaven. Margarita Heaven.
when Jimmy left St. Vinny's
In a flash of parrot shirt,
with a bandage
on his head. We didn't see him leaving,
much too busy grieving,
all convinced that the Parrot Man was dead.
we were drinking beer, smoking marijuana,
And we celebrated till our own heads hurt. We were drinking beer and smoking marijuana, with Margarita Heaven
on our minds.
We were drinking beer and smoking marijuana,
Like it's going out of fashion,
our brain sure took a trashing. We were smoking beer and drinking